I found out about it the hard way. The whispers, the secret messages, the hidden meetings, they all pointed to one undeniable truth. They were planning my divorce behind my back. My wife, my so-called friends, even some family members had signed off on a plan to erase me quietly, efficiently, and without confrontation. I didn't cry. I didn't yell. I simply listened. And then I waited. For months, I played my part, the oblivious husband, the one they assumed would crumble when the truth hit. I attended dinners, laughed at jokes, nodded at their suggestions. Every meeting, every comment, every friendly advice, I absorbed like water into stone. They believed I was weak, that I was distracted, that I would break first. They were wrong. I began my own investigation quietly. Emails, financial statements, secret bank accounts, the subtle details of their conversations I wasn't supposed to hear. I collected them, piece by piece, until I had a complete map of their plan. Their arrogance was breathtaking. They thought I didn't see. They thought I didn't understand. Then came the moment to act. I didn't storm into a courtroom with dramatic accusations. I didn't announce betrayal on social media. I let the small, carefully planted truths take effect. Conversations shifted. Emails appeared in unexpected places. Financial audits surfaced just when they assumed nothing would. Every move they made to corner me became the very evidence I used to strengthen my position. My wife called me one evening, her voice trembling. How did you know? I smiled calmly. I was never blind. I was just patient. The tables had turned completely. What they had intended as a swift, quiet removal of me became a slow unraveling of their own credibility. Lawyers who had been secretly briefed on her intentions found themselves questioning her integrity. Friends who had plotted behind my back suddenly realized the truth of my careful observations. In the end, I didn't just survive their betrayal, I thrived because of it. I walked away with my dignity intact, my assets secure, and a clear understanding of who I could trust. She had taken her chance to destroy me, and I had allowed her to do it on my terms. When she realized she had lost not just the battle but the narrative entirely, it was too late. I didn't gloat. I didn't even rub it in. I simply lived my life, free from the people who had tried to cage me. Betrayal had been their weapon, but patience, observation, and calm strategy became mine. And in the end, I was the one standing. They planned my divorce behind my back, but I turned the tables.